Today, quick look at the ferret kits. Look at the size of these beauties now. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. Oh, there should be. Is there 4 or 5? Well, there's 4 in here. So let's say they're just munching on some. They've got some boiled eggs mixed with some raw chicken mince. Got a nice black-eyed white here. What's this one? That's a hob. Then we've got a silver. Got you. Hob. Got you. Another hob. Then we've got a little Jill. So, Dave, Mr. Dave. So, Mr. Dave, where's it? That's the little girl. You want a hob, don't you? So, these two little boys, take your pick, mate. Hello, mother. That one and that one. Take your pick. There's one at mother's lock. So yeah, just a little quick video of babies. We'll have a look at Ellie's babies now. She's got 2. You know, Mother Goose. And there's Ellie's. She has a boy and a girl. Hello, Ellie. Come in, lass. This is yours, Dave. The little hob. And then this is a little girl, I think. Oh, Ellie. Yeah, this is a little girl, so we might be keeping this one. Might be. We'll see. We'll see. So, yeah. Get in there, lass. There's the very babies. They're doing good now, aren't they? What I've started doing now is putting the noses to the water bottle. The water bottle. Ava, did you put this on? Put the water bottle lowest you can. And then they get used to drinking out of it. So I never let a ferret kit go until I see it eating and drinking on its own, and it's at least 7 or 8 weeks old. What are these now? These are about maybe 5, aren't they? 5 weeks old? 5, 6 weeks old now? I'll have to check on calendar. But never let them go until you see them drinking water and eating all on their own. And what I'll do now, because they've just been on a raw diet, I'm going to start giving them some biscuits, because some of them, well, some people just feed them on the nibble stuff, the dry food. So what I'll do, I'll introduce them to some dry food, so then when they go, whatever home they go to, obviously a good one, they're going to get 1 or 2 foods and they're used to both. So it's another little thing I do. But yeah, that's a ferret.
Ellie.
Quick video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, Ellie. Bye.